Hello. So in previous video we saw the four basic operations that we implemented for our calculator. Now in this video we will implement the two functionalities like if you have performed addition subtraction, so the result of that can be used to take on further operations on them. For example, if you have just now added two numbers and now want to form a multiplication of that number with a new number, that you will be able to do, so that we will be storing it somewhere in the memory, and one more operation will be to clear the stored number or operation that we have. So let me first explain you with the help of an example. So let's say here only, let me say, so let's say we have done 5 plus 2 equals to 7. Now on this 7 we want to perform another operation. So 7 into 10 equals to 70. Earlier, we were not able to do this. We were supposed to enter an input and another two set of numbers. Now you can make use of existing number only, which is stored in memory, and operation can be performed on top of that only. So one will be this, another one will be, so if you have, let's say, 7 stored in your memory, but now you want to clear the last stored number, and you want to perform operation on another set of numbers only. For example, you want to perform 5 plus 2 again. So here we will be able to clear the stored number, right? So this we will do in this video. So let's get started. Now we are in the thread where we left off the previous video. So I will say the two numbers that we have used are already there. So let me say result equals to 0, and everywhere I will give a result only now, right? And now we don't need these variables. We will replace this as well with the result. Yeah. So this will be the result. And now I want to perform another set of operations on top of it. So let's say you have performed an addition, subtraction, multiplication, or something like that. Now let me add one more case over here. Here, class. So, sorry, right? So now we have case 5 to clear up the last four results. So we will say result equal to 0 again, right? And now I want to make use of the existing one. So in this case, I need to take input only once. So I will say if result is not 0, then only I will take the input. But the problem with this approach is that let's say initially the number is 0 only, right? So in that case, I will be taking only one input, which is not correct. So to avoid that, let's see what we can do. I have to store a flag that some kind of operation has already been performed. A reset, right? So I have a boolean variable reset equals to false. So what I will do here is, if result is, I have to take some input. right? And this will happen only if reset is false. Basically, we haven't reset the calculator yet. So, if reset equals if reset, that is say the copy these two variables. So, if reset, then this else no need to take input A like this, right? Or I can improve further as well. So, what we are saying is initially my reset is true. That means I have to take input from A and B, right? And I have added them in result. Now I want to take input again for the result which is already stored. But the result is true now, right? I have to reset the reset to false so that this time it will go into the else case, right? So next time when someone tries to add two numbers, the reset will be false. The reset will be false and I will use number B only, take the input from the user and I will add that to the result. So result plus B. Now, in order to say that, yeah, here we can say reset is true again. So let's try out a function just with addition once. Add 5 and 2. This makes the number as 7, right? Now I want to do addition one more time. 7 plus, let's say 3, but this is not working. So what they have done is it was true initially and 2. So we have added these two numbers and we can send the value to false. If it is false, it should fall over here. Mm, so 7 will be stored in result and reset is set to false. Next time the value comes up, okay, it is inside do while that's causing the issue. Same goes for the reset variable as result variable as well. The global. Okay, let's rerun the program. It was already running. Suppose so I will try to run it. 5 and 2, which is 7. Then again, I will try to add one more number, 3. See, it will say B is 3 and the sum is 10. But sum of what and B is 10. that we need to fix. So here I need to somehow print the value of the old result again. So either I can move it inside this or I can print it here only, right? So let's say I will say A equal to result and result equals to A plus B only, right? So what I will do is I will move this common statement over here. This and this I will remove. What else is common? We are taking input B in all the conditions. I will move this also out. See, the point is first we need to make the program work, then we can improve further. Now, I guess this looks good. Let's rerun it. Addition 5 to the 7, addition again 3. See, it says sum of 7 and 3 is 10. Let's say one more time I want to add 5 to it. So 10 and 5 is 15. Yeah. And now I want to clear the last row result. So it is cleared. I should display a message here. So now if I do addition again, let's say 3 and 2, it will say 3 and 2 is 5. So the last row result, which was 15, is now gone. Yeah, so that's all for this video. The similar things will be implemented for the other operations as well. So I hope you guys can implement them at your own. I will see you in my next. Thank you.